Life, at its essence, is a series of problems waiting to be solved. From the mundane puzzles of everyday existence to the profound mysteries of the universe, we are, as humans, problem solvers. But what defines a problem? And what does it mean to solve one? Today, we embark on a journey where philosophy, science, and even programming converge to illuminate the art and science of problem solving. Aristotle once said, "The more you know, the more you realize you don't know." In essence, problems arise because of gaps in knowledge, resources, or perspective. Philosophy teaches us to question, is every problem solvable? Are some problems illusions of the mind? From the paradoxes of Zeno to the modern-day trolley problem, we find that framing a problem is often harder than solving it. How you define the challenge often determines the solution. Science approaches problems systematically. Define, analyze, hypothesize, and test. This iterative process has given us antibiotics, space travel, and artificial intelligence. But science also teaches us humility, the acknowledgement of wicked problems, those that are so complex they defy simple solutions. Climate change, pandemics, even social inequality, these require collaboration and innovation on a global scale. And then there's the realm of programming, a microcosm of problem solving. Programmers break down challenges into smaller, manageable pieces, solving one bug at a time. In programming, algorithms are the tools of thought. Take the famous divide and conquer approach. Whether you're searching for a value in a list or navigating a decision tree, the principle remains the same. Simplify, iterate, and optimize. Programming also teaches us about edge cases, the unexpected scenarios that challenge even the best solutions. A lesson perhaps that life's problems are rarely straightforward. And debugging? It's not just about fixing errors, it's about understanding the underlying logic or lack thereof. Neuroscience reveals that our brains are hardwired for problem solving. When faced with a challenge, our neurons fire, connections are forged, and dopamine, the brain's reward chemical, is released when we succeed. Yet our psychology can also betray us. Cognitive biases like confirmation bias or anchoring can lead us astray. Overcoming these requires self-awareness and sometimes a willingness to step back and reframe the problem. So what can we learn from philosophy, science, and programming? First, define the problem clearly. Second, break it into smaller pieces. Third, test your assumptions. And finally, embrace failure as a step toward improvement. Problems, after all, are not roadblocks but stepping stones. In the grand tapestry of life, every solved problem reveals a thread of meaning. And every unsolved problem, it beckons us to grow, to think, to innovate. Whether you're navigating the puzzles of existence or debugging a stubborn line of code, remember, problem solving is not just a skill, it's what makes us human. To solve is to evolve.